Good morning, sixth graders. Happy Friday, April 23rd, 2020, the last day of our 5th week of remote learning. I can't even believe it. Today is Arbor Day, and you learned about Arbor Day on Wednesday. So today is the actual Arbor Day. So it's all about planting trees. While we're on Arbor Day, let me explain to you how I'm going to grade your Arbor Day reflection worksheet. So I'm going to grade it out of 12 points, and you might have already gotten this back. I'm going to work on grading it. Right now it is Thursday night as I make this video, but you should expect to get it back by the end of the day on Friday. Each box is going to be worth 2 points. So 2 points if the information in there, I can tell that you really read it and did a nice job reflecting. 1 point if you put something in there, 0 if you left it blank. So out of 12 points, your grade will be there. I'll add some comments here, return it to you. You should be able to check it in your email. I also have been returning other assignments to you with grades on it, like the scavenger hunt. So I hope that you are getting those in your email. It's super important that you're checking your email because your teachers are sending you lots of messages. That's the best way for us to communicate right now. So you need to make sure that you are checking that email and responding to your teachers when they email you. So hopefully you are doing that and you're seeing all of that different stuff. Besides it being Arbor Day today, it is the 115th day of the year. There are only 251 days left. It is the 17th Friday. Did you know that? 17th week of 2020, 36th day of spring. I don't know about you, but 58 days left until summer. That makes me pretty happy and sad at the same time. It's close, but also yet so far, far away. Today, though, was beautiful, Thursday. I hope you got to get outside and enjoy the day. I went for a 4-mile walk in Waddington. It was absolutely gorgeous out today. In honor of Arbor Day, I know I showed you my cactus before, my succulent, and I told you I was trying to get it as big as Mrs. Converse's. Not quite there. So if anybody has any tips, I've had it in the sun. I've been only watering it a little bit. I don't know. I might have to let Mrs. Converse take it and see if she can nurse it back to life for me. So that's my cactus. I think that's all of the fun tidbits to talk to you about today. So now let's move on to what you're going to be doing today. Today you are going to be using the letter generator from readwritethink.org to write a friendly letter about 3 things you learned this week. Or you can write a business letter about an environmental concern. Mrs. Terminelli did a beautiful job in this video right here. It's kind of long. It's 12 minutes, I think, but it walks you right through how to do it. And all you have to do is watch the video, pause it, do what she tells you to do, play it until it's another pause where she tells you what to do, pause it, and keep going. If you use this video, the letter should be no problem for you, and it walks you right through it. On this slide, it just tells you your 2 options. You're either going to do the friendly letter or the business letter. And then to turn it in, because you do need to turn this in, on Google Classroom, there is an assignment for you that says letter upload. So there's nothing attached. When you get into this assignment, you're going to go over to the upper right-hand corner and attach the PDF. Mrs. Terminelli shows you in the video right here exactly how to do it and then gives you some directions right here as well, some written directions. But the verbal directions in that video is really going to help you. So you're going to download a PDF of your letter and attach it to the assignment. So your work you're going to add or create, and you're going to add your file from your computer. Watch the video. I can't stress that enough. The video is going to be the biggest help for you to do that. So once you've done that, your to-do list is right here. Did you watch the video? Check. Did you actually write your letter or your friendly letter or business letter? Check. And then did you attach it to your Google Classroom assignment and submit it? That is the big part. So here's the lesson. Here's what is due. You're going to upload it from the computer. If you have any questions, you need to just reach out to me and email me and say, I don't know how to do that part of it, or I'm confused, and I will be more than happy to help you. I might even do an optional Zoom tomorrow at noon for anybody who needs some help with that. I will say I've been super impressed with your participation this week. 90% of you are on every day, putting your best effort in. So that's all I can ask for you. I am very proud of you as we end the 5th week of remote learning. I want you to keep up the hard work, and we'll get through it. And hopefully we'll be back at school someday soon. But until then, we're doing the best we can. Before I tell you about the day, let me remind you about Read Aloud. So on Google Classroom as well is the Read Aloud links and activities. Here, it only goes up to chapter 12 now because starting Monday, it will be part of the slideshow as your optional enrichment, 2 chapters a day. So Monday will be 13 and 14. So we're only going to put it out like that. I will leave this up for you in case you're behind so you can catch up. And I'm hoping you all catch up prior to Monday, so that Monday you're ready to just join right in with chapters 13 and 14. Also Monday there's a Kahoot on those chapters too. So I'm hoping that you will be caught up to do that. So then lastly, it is day 1, which means my class needs to go see Miss Walton. Miss LePage's class needs to go get some physical education. That's quite the interesting stretch that person is doing. Maybe next week I'll show you the gym I made in the garage. I've been doing my workouts here and pretty excited. I got a gym in there. I'm getting big muscles. Mr. Slack would be proud. And Mrs. Converse's class needs to go to the library. So I hope you all have a great Friday and a great weekend. And I'll see you back here on Monday. Bye, guys.